Hi everyone, I am so excited to be here. I just got back from Bangkok Invisalign APAC Summit last week, and it's like I couldn't wait to make this video and share it with you guys. I just can't believe how far we have come with technology. I never knew when I was studying back in 2004 that one day when I become an orthodontist, technology will play such a huge role. Back then it was only brackets and wires and plaster cast, but now that I practice what I'm practicing to what I studied is completely different. It's been a steep learning curve and great journey, but now in 2025 APAC Summit, the revelation of the upcoming features and the new technology is just mind blowing, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. So you see, this is not my first time to Bangkok. My first time in Thailand was back in 2018. That was also for an Invisalign event. Only 4 doctors for India were invited back then. So I'm very privileged to have come back to Bangkok for another Invisalign event. This time after 8 years, and roughly about pan India, about 100 doctors were invited now, and from all the major metro cities we could see about 5 to 6 doctors, and all over the India across all the major tier 1 and tier 2 cities all put together there are about 100 to 150, I think. Now, what is so special about this place? My goodness, I can't wait to share this. This conference was held in QSNCC, that's Queen Secret National Convention Center of Bangkok, and what a convention center it was. It was just unbelievable, guys. I think I did a little bit of research while I was there. The convention center was huge, very well planned, and it was right in the heart of the city. It's about 32 lakh square feet. Can you imagine? So I was trying to compare it with UB City. I think it's about twice the size of UB City, and it's not a mall, and it's just for holding professional conferences. I just can't imagine that kind of a convention center right in the heart of Bangalore. I really wish we had one like that, but at least I thankful that I have the privilege to go and visit this convention center in Thailand. So the transfers were immaculate. There was absolutely smooth. We were staying at Sheraton, and the transfers are hardly 10 minutes, and they took very well care of us. And this year, Invisalign's celebrating 20 million smiles as we speak, which means they have done close to about 2 crore patients. That's a huge number. Do you know that there is no other aligner company or an aligner product that can claim that they have done even 10% of what Invisalign has been doing? That's why this technology and this company really fascinates me, and I'm a strong advocate, not without any scientific reason though, but because I have actually experienced the magic of these results in my patients. So let's tell you a little brief about my experience there in Bangkok. I had the opportunity to meet my mentor and trainer, Dr. Lee. This gentleman, he's a Invisalign expert and an orthodontist from Singapore. I got certified under him back in 2016. That's when I started my Invisalign career. And this is Dr. Joy. She's the clinical head for the entire Invisalign Southeast Asia Pacific. And she had visited my clinic back in 2017 because I was one of the first few doctors who was early to adopt the technology and treating a lot of patients. So she had come down, and that time there was no clinical assistance in India. So she used to travel from Thailand to Bangalore and help us, handhold us, teach us the learning curve of how to adapt from braces to Invisalign. So now that I met them after like 8-9 years, times have flied ahead. We've done hundreds of cases, and we just took a selfie fun moment, and we were just having fun, reminiscing all the memories and thinking how much have we come far, and how much more we have to go ahead. I enjoyed the Thai food. There's amazing ramen, noodles, pad Thai, tom kha soup, and whatnot, and they have some amazing Thai iced teas, which I think you must always try if you ever get the opportunity to come down here. In short, I think amazing food, amazing people, more importantly, the event was really pulled off in a very stylish manner. So let me quickly tell you what are the few important key events in this innovation hub they call, where they had displayed all the new technologies and what is in store for Invisalign India, what all technologies are coming to my clinic, and I will break down all of these one by one in separate videos, but I'm here going to give you a glimpse of what marvelous technology advancement is happening in orthodontics. Hi guys, we are at the Invisalign APAC Summit here in Bangkok, and you know what is really exciting? There are two new things that are coming out. There's one Invisalign patient starter kit, and of course there's a new Invisalign First patient starter kit. So come on, let's check out the first one. See guys, this is how the new pack is going to come. So all our patients are going to get a new Invisalign patient starter kit. Unboxes beautifully, and then you have your typical black splendid case over here. And then when I open this, wow, what do we have in here? Oh, so now we get an aligner remover, and then we also get chewies, which were there for a long time. So I'm really glad Invisalign's put them back. And then you have an aligner case, and then you have an lanyard, so that makes it easy for you to carry. And of course, the much needed instruction manual, and it's available in all languages. So I think Invisalign is done a pretty good job on this one. Let me know what do you think about it, and let's go now and unbox the Invisalign First patient starter kit. All right, can you see how it looks? Doesn't it look exciting? Invisalign's done a really good job. So all the kids, all the new little patients, they're going to have fun unboxing this one. So come on, let's unbox. All right, let me figure out. Okay, so unlike this one, here you need to push them with the thumb, and that's how you're going to open it. Wow, can you really look? What an awesome, cute color that is. Really amazing. That's amazing. I've never seen. It looks really pretty, beautiful. All right, now let's see what's there in the box. Oh my God, you know what this is? This is not a dinosaur, this is a predictosaur, right? This helps predict your treatment plan. So always hold on to this for beautiful result. And then we have Invisalign First case cover. We have an aligner remover. We have a lanyard. Okay, everything's yellow, matches beautifully. We have chewies. And finally, yes, we have an instruction manual again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in comments which one did you like the most. Thank you. This is comparing unboxing an Invisalign regular kit and then an Invisalign First patient starter kit. You may be wondering, what is this Invisalign First? Well, that's right. That is only for kids. Invisalign First. I will make a detailed video about Invisalign First guide for you in the next weeks to come. Stay tuned for that. Next, this is the show-stopping innovation that I have seen, guys. Unbelievable. It is going to change the way I am going to practice in my clinic. It is going to change the way our patients are going to experience. No more messy expanders, no more expanders. Can you imagine until now when a patient used to walk in, a young child, right? 6, 7, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. The parents used to bring them, they were worried. Why? Because the jaw is very narrow and the jaw is collapsed and we need to expand. So we had no option but to put expanders like these. So these are called arch expanders, and we used to cement them, and then we used to give a turn pin to the parents, and they used to turn the screw every day by about the prescription we recommend, and slowly it used to expand the jaw. But this crude method, we don't need to follow it anymore because Invisalign has now released a proprietary technology called Invisalign Palatal Expander. That's right. So with this simple device, you can take it off, you can wear it however you want, will do the same job as this expander without the pain, without the trauma, without going through those confusing long schedules of how to activate it, without any breakages, without any caries, without any gum inflammation, bleeding, none of that. Just pure, simple, sheer engineering and technology. Now they have done a pilot study in Vietnam and Australia already. The Invisalign doctors have got these palatal expanders first, and they've treated more than 100 cases and they've got marvelous results. So after they have done the pilot study and they have gotten go ahead, it is now launching in Indian market on July 15th, 2025. So I'm really excited to see which of my patients are going to need it, and I'm definitely going to recommend it because this technology is going to change the comfort level and the way we do treatment and the experience for my patients. I hope you're watching this, and if someone really needs something like this, my subsequent video will be on Invisalign palatal expander, a detailed guide. You can watch it. In that I'll explain what it really means, who is it for, who is it not for, and when do you need it. Next, this is something really fun and exciting. There is something called as Invisalign 3D face scans, and you know what? I got mine done there live with one of the Invisalign representative. All we need to do is I have a software installed on my phone, and any of the patients of mine who walk in, I just do a scan with my phone, and within a minute I can see the entire face of my patient developing on the Invisalign software. And then when we do our iTero scan along with the face, how the teeth are going to change, all of this can be incorporated in the proprietary ClinCheck treatment plan. So next, when patients are getting their teeth straightened or aligned or getting their functional fixes, not only are we going to show them how the teeth are going to look, but with their real-time face we can show this is how it is going to look with your face in the ClinCheck treatment plan. Isn't that exciting? Unbelievable, guys. I never knew that AI would bring orthodontics so far, and so much fun for me and my patients to undergo orthodontic treatment. Next, though technical, but it is something like a game changer. They have received a proprietary patent and they've released a new technology called Invisalign X-ray Insights. Can you see this piece of technology? All we need to do is, once I have this software in my system installed, any of the x-rays that I take for my patient, I just drop the x-ray file into the software and it is immediately going to read and tell me in this x-ray where are the problems and what are the problems and what are the recommended solutions. Though I don't want to take solution advice from an AI, but at least it helps me easily diagnosing where the problems are. And suppose as human, sometimes if I miss out on some finding, that software is going to tell me exactly where each problem is, so nothing goes missing. I'm hoping that this is launched very soon in India and I can bring it to you guys. And well, of course, these are the 4 new innovations that I wanted to talk about. I will talk about each one of them in the subsequent videos one by one, and how it can be a game changer for all of us who want to get any orthodontic treatment done in India. Apart from this, I wanted to share they had a rock star performance on the final night. It was the Gala Night. You can just see, you won't believe, 10 Michelin-star chefs were hired and they had set up their bib stalls, Michelin gourmet bib stalls, in the Gala Night dinner event with different kinds of cuisines from all parts of the world. And the way they celebrated us as orthodontists, as Invisalign providers, and for the difference that we are making to you guys, the way they celebrated your smiles was something phenomenal. I have never seen a technology company take their patients so seriously, and this is why I really love and advocate Invisalign, because I think now after that I have done about 300 plus cases, I think this is something here to stay. It's only going to get better and better, and with this your smiles are going to get even more perfect. I hope you really enjoyed this video, but what I wanted to tell was, in between all of this technological fantasy and all of this drama that's happening and all of this, I wanted to bring out a very important point. The number one problem, since that Invisalign is now becoming very popular across the world, is fake Invisalign aligners. Yes, that's right. In this year alone, I had 2 patients who walked in that they were given Invisalign aligners and they were charged to the tune of lakhs of rupees for the Invisalign treatment. But the sad part was when the treatment wasn't happening and they wanted to take a second opinion and they walked into my clinic, I discovered that these were not Invisalign aligners at all. It was shocking. It was heartbreaking. I don't know how someone would have the courage to do that. Anyways, so to make you guys aware, in my next video, I am going to come up with how to spot fake Invisalign aligners. This is applicable worldwide, no matter where you're watching from. You can watch this video and you will be able to verify that indeed you are having genuine aligners. Until then, see you. Bye bye.